Hello friends, this is about manufacturing. Let's understand what is actually manufacturing. So manufacturing is a process of converting raw materials into finished goods. In general, manufacturing can be classified as projects manufacturing, discrete manufacturing, and process manufacturing. Now let's understand what are those. So project manufacturing involves building of highly customized entities or products. Example, shipbuilding, aircraft, etc. You need a very specialized workforce in this kind of manufacturing. Usually, cost of manufacturing is huge, and time required for manufacturing can be up to many months to maybe up to a year also. All the resources and equipments has to be brought around the product because the products are so huge they can't move, so you need to bring everything around the product. Second comes discrete manufacturing. It's about making multiple products. Example, car manufacturing, mobile phone manufacturing, auto parts manufacturing. These are example of discrete manufacturing. Usually customization of products is very less. I mean, these are standard products, and there is a significant changeover time involved when you switch from one product to other. Changeover time is nothing but when you on an assembly line, when you start to make another product, right? You need to make some changes in the assembly line. You need to adjust the tools, replenish the new materials, etc., which may have some time. Okay. Now coming next is the process manufacturing. Process manufacturing could be of let's say a glass manufacturing industry, or let's say a steel manufacturing industry could be considered as process manufacturing. Many chemical industry also can be considered as process manufacturing. Let's take example of steel manufacturing. So steel factory have different processes, and all processes have to run continuously. One interesting fact is that steel factory once started keeps running for months. They never shut down. This is because if we shut down the furnace in the steel factory, there'll be huge cost to restart and bringing back to the original temperature. I've tried to summarize different parameters for different kind of manufacturing. Let's say in terms of value, project manufacturing, the value of the products is quite high. Discrete, it's medium. Continuous manufacturing, it's typically low. The value of the product. Customization in projects, highly customized product, discrete, medium, and continuous, low customizations are involved. In terms of volume, it's very low because you might be manufacturing only one or two, let's say, ships or aircrafts in many months, right? So the volume is low. Discrete, the volume is medium, and continuous is volume is very high because the production is keep on happening. Changeover projects is basically no because you just make one product. Discrete is high, continuous it's low. KPI means how do you measure the performance in projects. So schedule adherence is very important. In discrete, it's unit manufactured per day. Continuous also unit manufactured per day. In terms of number of components involved or to manufacture a product, if you go to projects, the number of components involved are very high. In discrete, it's medium, and continuous, it's low. So that's all about it. Thanks for watching.